Hello friends, welcome back to another session of my financial trading predictions. Remember, we are covering Tesla, and we're also covering a very crazy forex chart. I'll show you in a minute. So today is the 8th of May, and I told you that we will see a very nice jump in price for Tesla, a very nice recovery. That's exactly what we saw today. Look at this. So this is the starting position, the current position. But you look at comparing the yesterday after trading hours, you can see that the price jumps quite decently. Okay, this is so far the highest position in May. Well, no, actually it was in second, but very close. So I told you we will see very good days either today, possibly maybe also tomorrow. It could be the case, because technically both of these 2 days are completely in the green. I don't see any yellow or red energies for the 9, which is basically Friday. So I believe that there's the possibility of seeing another impulse tomorrow. It's actually kind of crazy, because today was the election of the new Pope, which is an American Pope, and I mean it doesn't have anything to do with this, but if you guys don't know, recently, today, Trump made a statement saying that it was the best time to buy stocks. And I don't know, it's not like I'm sharing his sentiment, but I'm telling you that May is going to be a very good month. I told my people back in cryptocurrencies, I'm telling you guys now. And I also told you many times before. I mean, once I even showed you the chart of the next recession. And I was very clear in that 2025 was not going to be the year of the recession. So I don't know why some people keep listening to all of that YouTuber trash telling you that the recession is coming and whatever. So yeah, anyways, that's all I have for this week. For the next week, there's a possibility of opening maybe in range, but afterwards, especially on the 13 or the 14, which basically the 14 is going to be very volatile. I see a chance for for pumps and dips on that same day. But the 13 could possibly be the most dangerous in this case, because we could see in one of these 2 days a very powerful correction. Okay, so that's the warning for the next week, the first days, Monday and Tuesday. So be prepared. But yeah, I'm liking this for Tesla. It's obviously not the most spectacular recovery, but the basic mood of May is looking like it's kind of decent, at least for Tesla. So let's take a look at the Forex chart. It's the other prediction that I have for you. And you guys know I'm covering the Chinese yuan against the US dollar, or vice versa actually. So it's a very crazy chart. Like I've been telling you guys ever since the first video, I have never seen anything like this before. It's not like I have decades of experience doing Forex trading, but this is still quite crazy. The amount of these crazy ranges, I don't even know how to call them. I'm pretty sure they do have some names, so some of the trading experts will know what I'm talking about, but this is completely new and bizarre to me. Anyways, because of this situation, it's kind of hard. And even though I've been nailing many of these days, for example, the massive crash on the 5th of May, right now, for example, on the 6th of May, we can see that the price starts right here, dips, then kind of recovers and does this very crazy range thing, then jumps out of nowhere, and that's basically where it stays for the rest of the day. So technically, we see a green day, like I was telling it was going to be the case, but at the same time, this is very much in range. I mean, look at this. This is not even 10%. So I don't know. Maybe this is the usual stuff on this Forex stuff on the Chinese yuan. But yeah, it's very crazy. Now, on the 7th of May, the position begins right here. Again, tries to jump. Basically barely even 10%, goes down immediately after, stays in range, and out of nowhere climbs back up. So this is basically, let's see, yeah, almost another 10%. So this is basically nothing for forex, at least nothing compared to the Swiss franc that I covered last month on April. So yeah, it stays basically, it's another green day technically, but it's mostly in range. So it's very, very crazy what I'm looking at this. And today, the 8th of May, you can see that this is the day where the position begins, not even 10%, again dips and continues dipping even lower, and then suddenly jumps to the current position, which is a little bit more than 10%. So at least this could be kind of, I mean, I don't know what to say, but at least 10%, 20% is better than just 10%. Okay, so yeah, it's looking like it's going to be very, very crazy. And like I said in the first video, it's going to be mostly just these boring ranges. But yeah, I expect to see more volatility on the days, especially in the box days. For example, like we saw on the 5th of May, this drastic jump, this drastic crash, I mean. So yeah, for the next week, we can see that maybe the 11th could possibly be a very volatile day. Anything can happen, basically. So we'll have to see. Another volatile days could be the 13th, especially, and also the 14th. But the 13th has possibly more strength regarding volatility, so it's going to be more interesting, to say the least. But yeah, that's about it, guys. That's about it. I don't have much to add. Remember, these predictions are financial predictions. So financial trading signals, in short. So like, share, and subscribe if you want to keep seeing more of this. And I'll see you guys next time. Take care.